Open the door. Push it open. Well, it is Sunday, February 23rd, and we made the decision last night that we weren't going to hunt around home. The snow was kind of not the greatest. It's been so tracked up, the snow's so old, so we're gonna head northbound and see what we can't get ourselves into. Snow's pretty deep up there, so we'll see what happens. You're gaining some weight without running for the past couple weeks. You're getting fat. Get going. Pump's putting it on him. Right there's Coyote. Yeah, left. There's another coyote right there. Oh, it's in the road. Hey, 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 right here. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Right here, here. Willie, 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 Willie. Right here. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. There, buddy, buddy, yeah, 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 buddy. Remington went backwards. Buddy did too. Come on, yeah, 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 yeah. Come on, yep, 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 yep. They're coming. Come on, Ox, right here. Ox, right here. That looks like a pretty big coyote. There's snow coming over the hood. You should be filming.
I am. I'm working on it.
Well, we got 150 yards to go. Yards. I can hear them.
You guys gonna be able to drive down that trail to get to them, Jimmy?
Yeah, we're here. We're to them. Easy going.
You got room for all of them, Jim?
We got them all. We're on our way out.
Alright, I thought I could cut in from the west, but it didn't look like I wanted to try crawling through that berm.
Well, watch out, 'cause that's how we're probably coming out.
Yeah.